The video you're watching right now was made using a single AI tool. And the crazy part, you can make videos like this on your phone for free. Everyone is making beautiful Ghibli-style AI videos right now, but there's one big problem. Almost every tutorial on YouTube requires a powerful computer. But what if I told you you can create the same magical Ghibli-style videos using only your phone or iPad, completely free? In this video, I'll show you the easiest method to generate cinematic Ghibli-style videos without a PC, without complicated prompts, and without any editing skills. We'll do everything step by step directly on mobile or iPad using a free AI tool. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own Ghibli-inspired story videos that look like animated movies. So grab your phone or iPad, and let's start creating some magic. Here you can see my iPad screen. The entire process and all the tools I'm using are exactly the same for mobile as well, so there's absolutely no difference. As you can see, I have 3 apps installed: ChatGPT for the script, Grok for generating the visuals, and CapCut to compile all the video files together and turn them into one long video. Now, I have prepared 2 master prompts for this video. By using these prompts, we can get results almost every time without any confusion. First, open ChatGPT and paste the first prompt for the story idea. As soon as you use this prompt, ChatGPT will generate 10 wonderful story ideas with full details. From there, simply choose any one you like. After selecting the story, go back to the prompt PDF, copy the second prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Here, you only need to insert the title of the story you selected, exactly the same way I'm doing right now. Just follow the process step by step. Or you can also just write the number of the idea you like. Within a minute, a complete script will be generated, including proper shot numbers and text-to-video prompts for each scene. At this point, we already have all the resources needed to create a beautiful Ghibli-style video. Now, let's move on to generating the visuals. Copy the first shot details. For this step, we will use Grok. Open Grok. At the bottom, you will see the Create Video option. Click on that. Then, paste it into Grok. Follow the exact steps I'm showing. You can select the aspect ratio as required. Within a few seconds, your first video clip will be ready. Now, here comes an important part. On the right side of the video, you will see 3 dots. Click on it, and from the menu, select Extend Video. Once you click on Extend, a progress bar will appear below the video. Slide it all the way to the end, just like I'm doing here. Then, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second shot prompt, and paste it into Grok. Within a few seconds, you'll notice that your video has been extended with more scenes. Now, simply continue the same process until shot 5, which will give you around 30 seconds of video. At this point, download the 30-second video because the free version of Grok only allows 30 seconds of generation at once. But don't worry, we have a solution. Scroll to the last scene where the character is clearly visible and take a screenshot of that frame. Now, close Grok and reopen it again, just like we did earlier. Next, click on the plus icon at the bottom left, select Animate Image, and upload the same screenshot you just took. Then, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next shot details, shot 6, and paste them into Grok. Within a few seconds, your next scene will be generated. Now, repeat the same process again. Click on the 3 dots, choose Extend Video. Then, copy the next shot prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Grok. Continue repeating this process until you reach the end of the video or the final shot. Once all your clips are generated and downloaded, it's time to compile everything using CapCut. So, open CapCut and import all the clips you generated. For example, I currently have 2 clips here. Add to the timeline of CapCut as I'm doing. At this stage, you really don't need to do much editing. Simply export the video in the highest resolution available, and your Ghibli-style video will be ready. That's a wrap for today. I hope you learned something valuable. If you want to create documentary videos, check out the video linked in the cards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.